If you're planning to get your learner permit in Victoria, the process starts online. Open your browser and search for Get Learner's Permit Victoria. Click the first result. It should be from the official Vic Roads website ending in gov.au. Once the page loads, you'll find everything you need to know. The Learner Permit Test is an interactive online course that takes around 4 to 6 hours to complete. It teaches you the basics of road rules and safe driving behaviour. To enrol, you must be at least 15 years and 11 months old, live in Victoria, be medically fit to drive, and not be disqualified from getting a permit for more than 12 months. To get started, sign into your My Vic Roads account. You'll also need a stable internet connection and a compatible device like a phone, tablet, or computer. Your first attempt at the course is free. Once enrolled, you have 12 months to complete it at your own pace. After passing the final assessment, you'll need to visit a Vic Roads Customer Service Centre. No appointment needed. This part has to be done in person. You can't go to a testing centre, only a customer service centre. Before you go, make sure to bring your phone with the QR code you received via email after finishing the course. Also bring your original Category A and B identity documents, proof of your current address if it's not listed on those documents, any medical paperwork if required, and your glasses or contacts if you use them. You must be at least 16 to receive the learner permit. Once issued, you can begin logging your 120 hours of supervised driving. Just make sure all your documents are correct. If anything is missing or incorrect, you won't be able to get your permit.